This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. If you are into that mid-century modern aesthetic, but you also like to shop at IKEA for affordable furniture pieces, you are in the right place. I'm Mon, this is Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design, and today we're giving you our list of the best mid-century modern IKEA finds you just gotta have in your home. But before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. We're getting so close to hitting 100k, and we would be so thankful if you could help us with just hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Now let's go! We are starting right off with the first mid-century modern inspired IKEA product, and that is the beautiful HOLMSJÖ Stool. I mean, just look at this stool. Not only it screams retro, but this one is literally a product that was first released at IKEA in the 60s. Since it was so popular back then, IKEA decided to re-release a version of it this year, and I'm just all for it. With solid beech legs and a faux leather seat, this stool is a real mid-century modern piece that will add a touch of elegance to your home. Plus, it comes at a great price point for $49.99. The next product I have for you is a coffee table, and that is the beautiful Stockholm table. This is such a nice piece of furniture to have in your home, especially if you are into mid-century modern. I think this is the best table to go with. The table's surface is made out of walnut veneer and the legs are made out of solid walnut. All in all, this table gives a warm, natural feeling to the space, and it's a quality and timeless piece to have in your home. The distinctive grain pattern in the walnut veneer gives each table a unique character, and the shelf fits the retro aesthetic just perfectly, providing extra storage for remotes and other living room knickknacks. Another mid-century modern inspired product from that same collection is this gorgeous sideboard. I mean, just look at this piece. It's a statement piece for sure. A hallmark of mid-century furniture is the use of high-quality wood, which contributes to the timeless appeal and versatility of this design style. That being said, the warm walnut is a material that was widely used in furniture back then. Not to mention the legs. I love that they are not angled and just add simplicity to the expression. All in all, 10 out of 10 and such a mid-century modern IKEA gem. Another mid-century modern IKEA find that just speaks retro is the BAGGBODA Side table. And again, another material that is so representative of the mid-century, which is chrome. This table is actually another iconic piece that was launched in the IKEA catalogs back in 1971, and they decided to re-release it this year. It comes in two color options, but the one in yellow adds up a bit more on those mid-century modern vibes. I love it so much. Another sideboard slash side table that fits those mid-century modern vibes so much is the HOLMERUD Side table. I just love the look of this one so much. It's such a nice piece that has a distinctive architectural shape and practical storage spaces at the same time. It's designed to stand snug along the length of your sofa's armrest, which already looks so MCM, but also it looks just as great if you put it against a wall. This simple side table comes at only $49.99, yet it looks like a built-in around the sofa. It will definitely add that retro touch to your home, making it feel so intentional and functional. Now let's take a detour for a moment so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the ultimate toolkit for building stunning websites that really stand out in the digital crowd. First up, let's talk about Squarespace Blueprint AI and SEO tools, which make starting a personalized website easy as a breeze. You can choose from professionally curated layouts and styling options to create a unique online presence tailored specifically to your brand or business. Not to mention their Fluid Engine, which is the next generation website editor. You can unleash your creativity, customizing every design detail with intuitive drag and drop technology, whether you're on desktop or mobile. And here's the cherry on top. With Squarespace AI, you can kickstart or update your written content in a snap. Generate instant, personalized results that perfectly reflect your brand identity. Whether it's website content, product description, or emails, Squarespace AI has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA finds. Now IKEA has so many mid-century modern inspired lamps. However, one that really stands out from the crowd and looks like a legit retro lamp that was designed in the 70s is the VARMBLIXT LED table lamp. Ta-da! When I first saw this donut-shaped lamp at IKEA, I just screamed inside. It reminds me so much of the famous orange mushroom lamp. From the shade to the color, just adding this lamp to your home will instantly give you those retro vibes I love so much. It's really such a magical sight that will set the mood in your space, and it's a real eye catcher, regardless if it's on the table or just hanged on the wall. And when we're talking about lights, a pendant lampshade that's designed with the MCM aesthetics in mind is the HAVSFJÄDER Pendant lampshade. I'm butchering this, I know. This one was designed by the designer Bernd Boysen and was shown first at IKEA in 1979 catalog, then with the name Cirkel. And again, another example of IKEA icons given a new life that are timeless and have designs that are here to stay. Such a mid-century modern find. Another iconic mid-century modern lampshade that was firstly designed in the 60s is the DYKARKLOCKA Pendant lampshade. This one was also re-released this year in the IKEA's collection, where famous IKEA classics were given a new look. And I mean, just look at it. The gorgeous wood veneer rings make it a real mid-century modern statement piece. It's true that the 50s were marked by a revolution of style and shape in furniture design, but also by new industrial techniques that allowed for plastics to take over. That's why in furniture pieces from this time, we are often seeing the use of plastic in chairs, lights, and decor pieces. That being said, an IKEA chair that honestly looks like it's designed from this era is the TOBIAS Chair. This is just such a gorgeous chair with chrome-plated legs and a see-through plastic seat. You can find it at IKEA in a few different colors, but definitely this orangey brown is my favorite. Also, the floating design is one that we see in chairs from this time too, making this IKEA chair look even more retro. But if you are into that mid-century modern aesthetic, but you're not into plastics, which I totally get, another amazing chair that also fits those vibes is the beautiful NACKANÄS Chair. Although this one is made out of acacia wood, the shape and the seat look like they legit come from the 60s. With an angular wooden frame and woven upholstery, these chairs look like it's a replica of a mid-century piece. Plus, the checkered pattern on the seat definitely adds on to the aesthetic even more. And last but not least is of course the HAVBERG Swivel chair. When IKEA first released this chair last year, we couldn't help but notice it was designed with the mid-century modern aesthetic in mind, since this design reminds me so much of the EMS lounge chair, which is an MCM icon for sure. Along with the footrest that is sold separately at IKEA, this is such a comfy and quality chair that will make a real statement in your home. It comes in a few color options, but the leather options are the way to go if you want to embrace the mid-century modern style. And that wraps it up for today. Are you into mid-century modern too? Or maybe you're leaning towards another style more? Make sure to let me know in the comment section below, along with what style you want me to tackle next. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If this video gets to 1000 likes, I will do a part 2. So hit it up. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Awake again! Wow, Mars, you're really hitting some records. You're falling asleep? No. No, you're not. No, you're not. He's a good boy. Just look at these hands. Hey, I love you.